Parish in northeastern Louisiana until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Darnell, or 12 miles west of Transylvania, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Darnell around 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Monticello around 5:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Orton around 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Gully, Waverly, and Kendall around 5:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Pioneer and Epps. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service. Northeastern Louisiana, northwestern Issaquah County in west central Mississippi, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Oak Road, or 10 miles northwest of Lake Providence, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Milliken around 4:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Shelburne around 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lake Providence around 5:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Kilbourne and Forest. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.